So yesterday we started chapter 6, which is about division of polynomials. Okay, division of polynomials. 咦，係咪仲有好多堂未到咧？等先。我哋可能等多少少時間先啊。
係啊，老 Sir 啱啱咧入嚟嘅時候，我哋未有得揀嗰啲 number，即係因為之前入過，跟住就可以揀入嚟啦。跟住但係唔知點解你嗰個 ID 名就唔知係點解2B 嗰個人名。
係啊，我唔知點解琴日開始咧，我嗰個名我轉極都轉唔翻我自己咯。
跟住就可能有啲同學就困惑咗，應唔應該入嚟？
係係我嚟嘅，咩 2B 唔知幾多號李曉陽咁樣㗎嘛，係嘛？係咯，咁係我嚟嘅，咁我入咗嚟之後，我就會轉翻我自己個名咁樣噶啦。咁但係我冇辦法，我試過好多次喺唔同嘅渠道都，我轉咗之後咧，我再 log in 過咧，咁都係唔知點解會變翻嗰個名，咁係琴日一樣啦。
可能可以其他同學而家睇翻，再其他同學入翻呢個 ID 先。
係咯，係啱嘅呢個 ID 啊。係啦，如果其他同學即係收到其他同學係有啲懷疑嘅話咧，咁你麻煩大家幫我話翻俾即係未入嚟嘅同學聽。咁即係嗰個 ID 嘅 number 咧 ，meeting ID 咧係啱嘅。咁只不過咧，你入到去嘅時候咧，你可能見到係另一個人嘅 meeting room 咁樣樣。咁但係你應該會見到係即係 4S 嘅同學啦，同埋見到我噶啦。OK。OK， 好嗱，咁啊，再同翻啱啱入嚟嘅同學講，咁啊，我嗰個Zoom 嘅 account 咧，唔知點解由琴日開始咧，個名咧係變咗另一個人嘅名嚟嘅。咁我改咗好多次都改唔翻自己，即係我唔可以一開始就係顯示我自己個名。咁但係入到嚟嘅時候咧，咁應該會見到係我個名嚟嘅，同埋我盡量開個樣俾大家睇。如果大家認得我嘅話，就入嚟啦咁樣樣。OK。好，都差唔多啦，應該。Okay, so let's come back to page 6.8 of the textbook. So yesterday we were talking about the division of polynomials. That is chapter 6. And so I have introduced the division algorithm to you yesterday, which is actually like this. Dividend is identical to divisor times quotient plus remainder, okay? In a division. So this something is divided by something, okay? The first something is called the dividend. The Chinese name is 被除數, okay? And then the second something is called the divisor. The Chinese name is 除數. And then you get a result, okay? Division result. That is called the quotient. Chinese name is 雙數. Okay, 或者叫雙. But sometimes you will get when it is not completely divisible, okay? It's not completely divided. Then you will have a remainder at the end, okay? And that number is called the remainder, and Chinese name is called 餘數, okay? So there will be 4 members in a division. No matter it is division of numbers or division of polynomials, then you will have these 4 members, okay? These 4 elements. And then after doing the division, we can actually putting them back into an equation relating them all together, okay? By this so-called the division algorithm. Okay, the dividend is always equal to divisor times quotient plus remainder. If it is numbers, just numbers, then we will use equal sign. But if it is about polynomial division, then we will use the identity sign here. Okay. 好，咁琴日咧其實講好多嘅，咁啊但係都好似冇乜點做過數嘅。So let us start with some exercise here, okay, to get you familiarized with this division algorithm. 咁我琴日都講過啦，長除法即係書裏邊用過啊，長除法基本上係唔會用嘅 ，OK， 即係除咗啱啱學呢一部分係話俾你聽有呢樣嘢之外咧，我哋之後咧係都不會用長除法嘅 ，OK。咁咧反而咧我哋教你咧去到砌翻條式出嚟，然之後咧 solve 翻啲未知數咁樣樣 ，OK。So now when this in example 1 when x cubed plus 2x squared minus x plus 1 is divided by x plus 3. So we know that this one should be the dividend. Okay, and because it's divided by x plus 3, so this one is the divisor. Okay, and then we can 仲有啦，琴日咧比較重要啲嘅咧就係咧。關於個 degree 嗰樣嘢啊，係啦，唔記得咗添，而家寫翻出嚟添。Degree，OK，the degree of呢一個 quotient is always equal to the degree of dividend, and then minus the degree of divisor. Okay, and then the degree of remainder is equals to the degree of divisor and then minus 1. It's always like this.咁呢個記佢先啊，呢兩個咧，呢兩樣嘢咧係即係請你記咗先，得唔得 ？OK， 好啦，咁如果咁嘅話咧，我哋就識得點樣 let 嘢咯噃。OK，so we are going to let the quotient be 嗱，因為咧 quotient 嘅話咧就係個 degree of quotient 咧就係 degree of dividend minus degree of divisor。咁而家呢度咧，我哋應該咁樣先啦。Degree of quotient, dividend is equal to 3, right? And degree of divisor is equal to 1. Therefore, we can get a conclusion of degree of quotient is equal to 3 minus 1. That is equal to 2. And the degree of remainder should be equal to 1 minus 1, which is 0. OK? 好啦，我哋知道個 degree 之後咧，我哋就識得點樣 let 啦。我就會 let the quotient be， 因為佢係 degree 2嘅，即係咧佢嘅 highest power of x is 2. OK? Highest power of x is 2, which means that there will be x squared term. And we will let ax squared, and then we will count down the degree plus bx plus c. Okay, until you've got the constant term. And we also let the remainder be, because it is degree 0, so the highest power of x is 0. So it is just a constant term. Okay, so it is equal to d. You get this? And then if we have let the quotient and remainder and combining with the given dividend and divisor, then we can form the equation using the division algorithm. Okay, so that should be x cubed plus 2x squared minus x plus 1 is identical to x plus 3 times ax squared plus bx plus c, and then plus the remainder. Can you get this? We're going to start from the right-hand side. It is x plus 3 times ax squared plus bx plus c plus d, okay? And then we will expand all the bracket. It's ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx, and then plus 3ax squared plus 3bx plus 3c, and then plus d. And then we will group the like terms together. We have ax cubed plus b plus 3ax squared plus c plus 3bx plus 3c plus d constant term. Can you get this? And then after grouping the like terms together, we will compare the coefficients of like terms from both sides. For the x cubed term, okay, left hand side is 1x cubed, right hand side is ax cubed. So when we compare their coefficients only, then we'll find that a is equal to 1. Okay? And when we compare the square term, on the left hand side, we have 2. And on the right hand side, we have b plus 3a. Okay? But we have already found the value of a to be 1. So it should be like this. So b should be equal to -1. It can be easily calculated. And for the x term, left hand side is -1x, and the right hand side is c plus 3bx. But we have already found the value of b. So -1 is equal to c plus 3 times -1. And then c is equal to 2. Okay? And for the constant term, the left hand side is equal to 1. And the right hand side is 3c plus d. But we have already found the value of c. So it is like this. So d is equal to -5. Okay? So now we have a, b, c, and d all being found. Okay? Therefore, so we can write down the conclusion. Let me paste it here first. Okay? So the quotient should be equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. And now it should be 1x squared plus -1x plus 2. And then the remainder is just equal to d. And d is -5, so it's just -5. Okay, so that's how we can find the quotient and remainder by this method. It's okay? 得唔得？嗱，記住咧，最緊要係 set 啱個 degree， 得唔得？一定要最緊要係 set 啱咗個 degree 先。如果唔係嘅話咧，你就會啲嘢完全錯晒㗎啦。OK， 但係個 degree 咧又唔係好難嘅啫。OK， 你記得翻上邊呢兩句咁就得㗎啦。OK， all right, now I would like you to do the instant rule number 1. Instant rule number 1, part A and part B. Okay, and please remember to submit to the MathApp web system. I give you 5 minutes for this.
老師，我想問咧，考試如果佢會唔會問啲咁嘅問題啊？即係可能咁樣咁 basic 嘅問題，應該唔會問啦，嗬？冇
錯啦，嗱，我之所以叫你唔需要學長除咧，就係因為考試咧基本上唔會咁樣問嘅。明白。得唔得？但係咧考試咧，我哋一定會用到頭先嗰種方法嘅，即係叻嗰啲 ABC 啊咁樣嗰啲嘢嘅。OK， 之後嗰啲嘅題目咧就會咁樣問㗎啦。咁所以咧，即係記住學咗我而家教呢個方法嘅喎。OK， 長除法可以學可以唔學都得。 嗱，慢慢嚟啊！呢度啊，未熟嘅話，一次過係好似好多嘢咁，但係其實咧已經係所有嘢嚟㗎啦。 done？
唔好意思啊，老 Sir，我見到咧，即係degree of quotient 嗰度3減1呢個我明啦，但係 degree of remainder 點解可能成日都見到1減1，即係咩減咩？可唔可以講多次呢度
？degree of remainder 呢度就係 degree of divisor 減1。
divisor，OK，明白，唔該。
OK。好，等等呢度。OK， 嗱，我做咗幾題咯喎。咁咧嗱，其實咧呢度我哋 example 2 instant drill 2， 跟住 example 3 instant drill 3，example 4 instant drill 4，一路落去都係做緊同一樣嘢啫。example 5 instant drill 5，OK， 呢度全部都係做緊同一樣嘢。咁不過咧嗱，我哋呢度咧，即係我哋用呢個方法嘅時候咧，其實基本上咧就唔使理佢嘅，唔使理佢呢度咁多條咧有咩分別嘅。但係咧，佢點解會分咁多條咧？就係因為佢用長除法嘅時候咧，用長除法嘅時候就會有一個弊處，有一個弊處啊。OK， 就係咧佢嗰啲 terms 咧一定要順住落，即係順住咁樣倒數落去嘅，唔可以 miss 走一個 term。你見唔見到呢度 ？OK， 如果你望 example 3嘅話咧，嗰、個呢個 quotient 咧 ，sorry 呢個 dividend 咧就係3次方，跟住咧下一個已經係1次方嚟㗎啦，中間係咪 skip 咗個2次方嘅 term？ 咁如果你用長除法嘅時候咧，你就一定要補翻個2次方嘅 term 俾佢。OK， 一定要個個 term 都喺齊度。但係如果你用我呢一個 division algorithm 呢個方法嘅話咧，咁就唔需要補 terms 都得嘅。OK， 仲有就係 example 2呢啲有啲咩分別咧 ？example 2就係如果佢本身唔係排好次序嘅話咧，你用長除法嘅時候咧，一定要排翻好次序。OK， 由大至細，即係個次方啊，一定係由大至細咁樣排翻好次序嘅。無論係個 dividend 或者 divisor 都一定要嘅。OK， 但係咧用我哋而家學緊呢個方法嘅話咧，可以唔使排都得。不過咧，我都會建議你排咗次序。OK， 因為排好次序之後咧，你出嚟嗰啲 terms 咧，你會容易跟一啲嘅。OK， 即係幾多次方幾多次方嗰啲咧，唔會話撈到亂晒嘅出嚟。OK， 你都排好次序去先。不過咧就一定唔使補翻個0嗰個 term 啦。OK， 好啦，咁跟住咧 example 4同埋5係咩嚟嘅咧？跟住咧佢就會係有一啲即係個 divisor 咧，可能係超過1次方嘅。OK， 有2次方嘅咁樣樣，或者有2次方中間有 skip 咁樣嘅 term 嘅。OK， 咁其實咧呢啲咁嘅變化咧，我哋全部喺我哋而家學緊呢個方法裏邊咧，其實都唔需要理會呢啲嘅。我哋只要排好隊 ，OK， 由大至細咁排，咁就出嚟嗰啲嘢咧就會係靚靚仔仔咁樣噶啦。OK， 唔得。好嗱，我想做多一條俾你睇，然之後咧，我做一條 example 5俾你睇啊 ，example 5，然之後你幫我做晒 instant drill number 1 to number 5，OK？ 我做一條 example 5俾你睇啊，其他嗰啲係一模一樣嘅。example 5。Find the quotient and remainder when 呢一嚿嘢 is divided by 1加 x square 咁樣樣，係嘛 ？OK， 咁又係啦。我哋今次咧嗰個dividend 就係呢一個2加 x cube 減 x 2次啦。OK， 咁即係話咧個 degree of dividend 就係等於3咯，係嘛 ？The highest power of x，and then degree of divisor 就係2啦。OK， because it is divided by 1 plus x squared. So 1 plus x squared will be the divisor, okay? And the degree is equal to 2. Therefore, we can calculate that the degree of quotient should be equal to 3 minus 2, okay? So that should be equal to 1. And the degree of remainder is equal to 2 minus 1, which is 1.要小心啲喎，係嘛？同之前唔同喎。今次個 remainder 咧就個 degree 就唔係1減1嚟㗎啦，係嘛？就因為係個 divisor 嘅 degree 減1嘅。OK， 好啦，咁我哋就會點樣 let 啊？而家呢度我就會 let 個 quotient， 由於佢係 degree 1嘅，即係 highest power of x is 1， so it should be ax plus b only. And then let the remainder. It is also degree 1, so it should be cx plus d. You get this? 好啦，4個嘢都喺齊度啦，咁我哋就可以砌翻一齊咯，係嘛 ？OK， 個 dividend 嗱，咁我哋咧就寫翻好個次序 ，minus x squared plus 2 is identical to 呢個都係 x squared plus 1 times ax plus b plus cx plus d. Okay, and then the right-hand side can be expanded. It should be ax cubed plus bx squared plus ax plus b, and then plus cx plus d. And just group the like terms together. Plus a plus cx plus b plus d. Okay? 好，跟住搞掂好呢啲嘢啦，我哋就可以 comparing the x cubed term. Left hand side is 1. Right hand side is a, so a is 1 directly. Okay, a is equal to 1. And then comparing the x squared term. Okay, and the right hand side is b. The left hand side is -1. Okay, so b is equal to -1 directly. And then comparing the x term. Right hand side is a plus c. And the left hand side is 0x, right? Okay, but we have already found that a is equal to 1. So 1 plus c is equal to 0, and c is -1. Get it? Finally, comparing the constant term. Okay, the right hand side is b plus d. The left hand side is +2. But we have found that b is -1, so d is equal to 3. Okay? 好 ，A、B、C、D 揾晒，可以答題啦。Therefore, the quotient should be equal to 我哋叻係咩嚟㗎 ？quotient 係 ax plus b 嚟嘅，係嘛？咁即係 1x minus 1。OK， 1x minus 1, x minus 1. And the remainder is equal to cx plus d. Cx plus d, that should be -x plus 3. Okay, -x plus 3. Okay, so that is the final answer. 嗱，其實就係咁樣嘅啫。我哋咁樣去到砌翻個 quotient 同埋個 remainder 出嚟，得唔得？係嘛 ？Quotient is x minus 1, and then remainder is -x plus 3. OK， 咁樣砌出嚟。呢個就係 example 5啦。好，咁啊，嗱，聽日咧就請你哋做埋咧 instant drill number 2 to instant drill number 5俾我啦。OK， 得唔得？咁我今日就去到呢度先啦，應該係啦。OK， so if there is no more problem, then we may just stop here and see you tomorrow. Goodbye.
老 Sir，
係。
即係我係上堂之前。
sorry， 等陣先啊！喂 ，M1 同學，我哋都係要用第二個 account， 今日都係要用第二個 account， 因為撞咗個 account 嘅 ，OK， 都係用翻上個禮拜嗰個 account。sorry 啊，係啊，李先生。
即係我哋要聽日上堂之前做好 instant drill 1去到5啊，定係聽日上堂做啊？
聽日之前做好啦。
好啊。
OK，thank you。
Thank you，拜拜。
Bye。